guys, midday na. It's 12 something. So, I am cooking for lunch. Tapos, ang lunch namin, guys, ay nagluto din pala ako ng, ng zucchini. I just boiled it with 1 onion. Tapos, i-drain ko mamaya yung tubig niya, guys. And then, I will just add salt and some cheese. And then, I will blend it. So, yun yung zucchini cream, guys. And that's for me and my husband. And I think Hailey, if she likes. And ito naman, guys, itong talong naman, I'm going to bake stuffed eggplant. So, kinuha ko yung laman ng eggplants. Tapos, I chop it. Tapos, nagisa ako ng garlic, onion, and also a little bit of meat. Tapos, ilagay natin itong, this one guys, ito yung meat ng ating eggplant. Medyo nangitim na siya, guys. And, lagyan natin ng konting tomato sauce. And then, we will fill the half-opened na talong at ilagay natin lahat ng ito and then we're going to bake it, guys, for until it cooks. But before it totally cook, lagyan natin ng cheese on top, guys. And then we melt that cheese. So, yun ang lunch namin. I hope my husband will like it. My husband likes it, but the thing is, if he has time to eat for lunch, kasi nga, siya, guys, late na kasi siyang lumalabas sa work, tapos nagdadala siya ng kunting food sa work, at doon na rin siya kumakain. So, minsan, pag gabi na, mas light na ang gusto niyang kainin. So, in the end, parang ako din lang ang kumakain ng lahat na niluluto ko. OMG! Yeah, tapos kay Hailey naman, guys, Thursday kasi ngayon, sa Mercadillo kasi, guys, sa town namin, every Thursday, may nagluluto ng roasted chicken and also French fries. So, hindi na ako bumibili. Once in a blue muna lang ako bumibili ng roasted chicken kasi minsan ako nang gumagawa, nagluluto. And then, si Everest namin, pumunta siya sa main gate, ewan ko kung anong nakita niya. So, yun. So, ang niluluto ko na lang, guys, ay yung French fries. Yun na lang ang pina-fry ko. Tapos, may niluto din ako kahapon na, anong tawag nito? Sorry, guys, kung maingay kasi yung exhaust fan namin naka-on. Longganisa. So, yung niluto ko kahapon, wala din kumain na longganisa kasi nga, di ba, gumawa ako ng tinapay. As in, guys, na super good yung tinapay. Yun ang kakainin ni Hailey. Ang kakainin niya ay, I hope, yung longganisa, some bread, and then a French fries. I hope she's going to eat that. And sa akin naman, yung cream, yung zucchini cream, and then itong talong natin, stuffed talong or stuffed eggplant. So, yun, guys, ang kainin natin for lunch. Let's add a little bit of salt. Pepper. Oregano. Oregano, guys. Pampalasa. And a flavor. And aroma. Wow. So, yum. So, ganun lang, guys. Ihalo-halo natin. Kahit hindi pa luto totally yung, yung flesh ng talong. Kasi ilagay naman natin sa oven. para doon na siya maluto. At ito na nga guys, nangitim na sila. Maging ganyan ang itsura niya guys. So, ilagay lang natin dyan. Hindi ko tinikman guys yung mixture natin kasi nga lalagyan pa natin ng 4 cheese. So, ayun. Matagal na hindi na kami kumain nito guys. Ang ginaganito ko ay yung zucchini. In summer, pag marami kaming zucchini. So, hopefully this coming summer, makapagluto tayo ng ganito guys from our garden. Na zucchini. And talong, of course. And I also have to put the meat din pala guys in the oven. I took out pork ribs. At yun din ang iluto natin. Para sa ganun, may choices din sila. Mga bata and my husband. I just tried it guys and delicious. So ayan na guys. And now we are going to put in the oven. As I've said na naglabas din ako ng pork ribs at ito din ang ilagay natin. Hello friends, so I just take out our eggplant stuffed and what I'm going to do now is to add our cheese guys and then melted and then that's all. And this is 4 cheese friends. Oh wow. Oops. Oh my gosh. What can I do? Ayaw ko kasing i-touch guys yung cheese na meron tayo dito sa loob para sa ganun hindi siya masira. Pag matouch mo kasi guys, parang you're putting a bacteria and then that will rot the cheese later on. So mga 5 minutes lang guys, yeah, or 3 to 5 minutes ulit. Just to melt the cheese on top. And then, ready na siya. And it's only 1 in the afternoon, 1 something. And I am so hungry. Like a caterpillar. So, I'm going to try this one. Oh, yum. So, ayan. So let's Ito again, guys. Let's tie it tightly and then put in the fridge again. But first, I have to put this in the oven. We'll see you guys later. So, meron pa pala, guys, yung zucchini cream na sabi ko sa inyo. So, I'm full na kasi. Super full kasi I just drank coffee. Yeah, so I'm super full. And then I'm going to eat maybe one whole na eggplant, guys. Stuffed eggplant. And then I'm going to pick up my daughter. So, maybe yung cream, guys, is for dinner. Kasi it's filling kasi, guys, yung ano natin. Kasi it's filling yung stuffed eggplants natin. Because it has meat there as well. So, I don't think I can eat the cream. So, that's for tonight. Hello, friends. So, ito na yung ating stuffed eggplant or stuffed aubergine. Ayan na, guys. Yeah, don't mind the paper, the baking sheet. Okay, that's okay. Ayan, I just melted the cheese. And yeah, let's eat, friends. So, ito na ang pagkain ko, guys. Kain tayo. Let's eat. This is my lunch.
Romana?
See?
Is that it?
Hello, friends. Kumusta na kayong lahat, guys? So, today is very sunny. Thank God, finally the sun is out after so many days. And hopefully, we will have good weather. Kaso nga lang, uulan daw tonight. Or I think, starting from 5 p.m. uulan daw ulit. And then Saturday and Sunday, it will rain as well. And as in, sa totoo lang, nakakasawa na talaga ang ulan ng ulan, guys. Kasi dito sa harapan ng bahay namin, as in na super putik. Yeah. And ano pala, guys, I want to give you an update about sa ating tinanggal na ano, guys, na mga moles. So, ayan siya, guys. Natanggal naman siya. Natanggal siya. So, ayan, may mga peklat. Yan yung mga pinagtanggalan nila. As you can see, ayan. Ayan. May natira na isa, guys. Hindi nakita ni doktora. Ayan. So, here. So, naglagay ako ng cream. So, ayan, guys. Lahat ng mga parang butlig na ganun. Yun ay yung mga tinanggal na moles. So, I'm very happy kasi pag naliligo na ako, guys, hindi na siya rough. Hindi na siya rough, as in na smooth na siya. So, lagyan ko lang ng cream everyday para sa ganun, as in na mawala yung mga peklat niya. Yeah, so yun lang, guys, ang ating update sa ating moles.